Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. All right, guys, giving back to your soil is one of the most important thing you could ever do. From each crop, you should always give back something to the soil, whether you leave a few on the tree to go back to the earth, or whether you harvest them and you just decide, all right, I'm gonna take a percentage out of my harvest and give back to the earth. These are whole pumpkin that I have here. I also have potato skin. I also have edo skin. I also have yam skin. I also have squash. Adds up in this container. Now I'm gonna take this. This was whole pumpkin that I take and decide I'm gonna give back a percentage of my harvest back to the soil. Which is important, guys, which is one of the important things. There's rules to gardening and you have to give back. Nature will appreciate your effort of trying to give back and help nurture the soil. All right? You know my main thing is leaf, but I will also recommend giving back to your soil. Some of the food, especially you growing your food and especially you trying to grow them as natural as possible, this is a beautiful way to give back to your soil. This, listen to me, this could really help turn a soil into a beautiful soil. This can really help you guys. So these are stuff you can do. Even in your container, you could allow this to break down, or you could add a few to your container and cover it with the soil and just leave it out in the winter. By the spring, you're gonna start see all different type of bacteria breaking down this thing for you. This gonna turn into food. This gonna turn into food. Then there gonna be worms. There's gonna be all different type of insect up in the air, breaking this down in your container. And then when you all the juice, you see all the sauce it start creating, all the richness. I know it look gross, but trust me, your soil will love it. So yes, guys, what I have here, I have pumpkin, I have squash, I have edo skin, I have dasheen skin, I have yam skin. All this I have mixed up. I have a few okras mixed up inside there. Don't start breaking it down. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna add it into a raised bed, cover it with some soil and just leave it there. This is something I do all the time. I give back to the soil. One of the most important thing you could ever do, giving back. Thank you, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think.